Today I'll show you how to change Google AdSense name. First, open your browser and go to Google AdSense. Sign in with the Google account connected to your AdSense account. Once you are inside your AdSense dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Payments. Then click Payments Info. On the Payments page, look for the Settings section. Click Manage Settings. Now find your payments profile. Here, you should see your name, address, account type, and other payment details. Look for the Name section. If Google allows you to edit it, you will see a small pencil icon or an Edit button next to your name. Click the Edit option. Now enter the correct name that you want to use for your AdSense payments. Make sure the name is written correctly. Use your full legal name if this is an individual account. If this is a business account, use the official business name. This is important because your AdSense name may be used for payments, tax forms, identity checks, and account verification. After entering the correct name, click Save. Now your name should be updated in your AdSense payment profile if the change is allowed. But remember, not every name change is available for every account. In some countries or situations, Google may not allow you to change the payee name directly. Also, if your account has already been verified, Google may limit what you can edit. If you do not see the Edit option, or if the name field is locked, you may need to contact Google AdSense support through the Help Center. You can also check if the name is connected to your Google Payments profile. In some cases, you may need to update your information from the Google Payments Center instead of only inside AdSense. Before making any changes, make sure your new name matches your bank account, tax information, and official documents. This can help avoid payment delays or verification problems later. Also, changing your AdSense name is different from changing your YouTube channel name or your Google account name. Your AdSense name is mainly used for payments. So to keep it simple, go to Payments, then Payments Info, then Manage Settings. Open your payment profile, edit your name if the option is available, and save the changes. And that's how you change your Google AdSense name. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.